video, I am going to demonstrate some functionality of charts which we have not discussed previously. So I have some values here, some y values and x values. So I'm going to create a chart, a 2D line chart. Move it up a little bit, make it a little bigger. Okay, so this is a 2D line chart of our y values. I'm going to click on the line or the chart, click on Select Data, add my horizontal axis labels. So now I have my chart. I would like to show you how to use formulas for, or use cell references for your titles. So if I click on Chart Title, I can actually click into the formula bar and type equals a cell. And now my chart title is whatever's in that cell. For my axis titles, I can do the same thing. Input values and the y-axis title, output values. And now if I change one of these things, this is still a parabola, it appears. It updates and appears. Now, the other piece of functionality I want to show you is regarding data labels. So I can insert my data labels, and the data labels that come naturally are the y values. I can, if I choose, if I click on one of those, I can format it. I could, for example, also have the, let's see, category name, and you can see it's separated by a comma. So this would be -552, -434, and so on. An alternative to that would be if I have names of these points on my chart somewhere. So for example, if I've got points, named them A through K, I can have those names appear next to my points. And this is a nice piece of functionality if each of those data points means something or comes from somewhere else. So this is a good way to label it. You could use more complex formulas or more complex names than A, B, C, D. Here, we call this Fred. All of a sudden, that one is Fred. And that